lot of people have been getting their payout from this particular opportunity. I've been sharing for some times now, and if you haven't joined this particular opportunity, that means you are missing out on a lot. All right, so as you can see, this is not one payout but multiple payouts. All right, and it's been happening almost every single week, and I am back again with this wonderful opportunity for you guys. All right, so other trade are giving out to 1,000 persons free $5,000 accounts for them to start trading with, and they can withdraw from it. All right, they are not just doing this for few people, they are doing this for 1,000 persons, and I want you to benefit from this. So the first thing you have to do is very simple. Right, first thing you have to do is to ensure you join all their social media handles so that you will not be missing out, so that you will not be depending on me to bring this particular opportunity to you. All right, as you can see right here, this link, to get to this particular link, I'll be dropping the link in the description. This link right here is to join their platform itself, and this link right here is their Discord server, and this one right here is their Twitter or X community. All right, so just use each of this link to join each of their platforms. All right, and to get to this particular place where you find all these links, it's very simple. Just check the description of this video. All right, now to get this particular free 5,000 account is very simple and straightforward. All right, just click on this link that will take you to their website. Click on it and it directs you straight to their website. All right, or you can also go to their Discord server by clicking on the link. Just go to this server right here, and then you go to links and reviews right here. All right, and after getting there, as you can see right here, these are the links right here. Just click on the official website link and you wait patiently for it to load. As you can see right here, after waiting for it to load, all you have to do is to either sign up or log in. If you're a returning player, you can sign in, and if you are just coming to this platform, you can sign up. All right, so after that, click on these competitions right here, and after clicking on competition, you enter arena first. All right, enter arena. As you can see, I just finished logging in. All right, and you wait patiently for it to load. So as you can see, this is my account right here. All you have to do now is to click on the browse competition. Click on it and you wait patiently for it to load. So as you can see right here, there's currently one going on, right, and this is the upcoming one that you have a limited time for. Right, so as soon as you are seeing this, ensure you are joining immediately. Right, so if you scroll down a little bit, this is the one that is currently going on. As you can see, this is it, 482 participants. All right, and this right here, as you can see, you can still join this. There are only 55 participants yet. Right, so you just have to click on the register right here, click on it, and it's very straightforward. As you can see, registration successful. Just click on the view details to know more details about it. All right, as you can see, you can just go through this to know more about the competition. Just go through it, and this is the $5,000 right here, 5,000 USDT, which is the starting capital. All right, and the number of maximum trade is 40 trades. As you can see, your trade must last at least 1 minute to be able to receive your payout from this particular opportunity. All right, so this is just a simple way of being part of this wonderful opportunity, and like I showed you, there are a lot of withdrawal proofs. All right, and you also can be a part of this wonderful opportunity. You can also make money from this just like every other person. As you can see, they've given out a lot of accounts right here, and I don't want you guys to miss out on these. All right, so I have joined now, and I am waiting for you to come and join too. All right, so be fast and come and be a part of this before time is gone. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and also ensure you join their social media platforms. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.